Can you swim? Yes, I can. I learned at school when I was about 7 years old. Swimming lessons were compulsory at our school, like most schools, I think. Are there many places to swim near you? Yes, there are a few public swimming pools. There's a main indoor one at a big sports complex in our center of town. There are also a couple of outdoor ones, but you can only use them when in summer as it is too cold in winter. One is a big one in a park and the other is a much smaller one. Do you think everyone should learn to swim? Of course, I think it is very important. Firstly, you spend much of your life on holiday by water. For example, when you go to the beach on holiday, so you won't be able to enjoy yourself with your friends if you can't swim. Also, your safety reason is very important. You often hear about sad accidents involving young children, so it is very important.